Hi students. Listen, I am almost finished with grading your writing assignment number 2. In fact, I've got almost everybody done. So, go ahead and check to see if I've given you some feedback. This will help you with writing assignment number 3. If I've not graded your work, I expect to have it done very, very soon. Okay, so work on that. Now, there's a reason that I wanted to talk to you. In fact, let me go ahead and get back up here where I can talk to you a little more freely. Um, Writing assignment number 2, by and large, not for everybody, did not go as well as I had hoped. I think there was some confusion there. I tell you what I think the biggest problem is, and maybe this will be a warning for all of you, whether I've graded your work or not, for writing assignment number 3. Um, as you're doing these writing assignments, there's a couple very, very common trends that I'm seeing. In fact, this is in almost every paper that I've graded. Um, you're not answering the question. Okay, you're repeating back to me points from the movie, and remember that I talked to you about that. It's not what I want. Um, if I ask you, for example, to name a characteristic and to then give an example, then first of all, that's very important that you answer both parts of that question, that you both name a characteristic and then also give an example from the movie. Unfortunately, the trend that I'm seeing is that you're just kind of repeating things to me from the movie. You're just saying, Paul was a man. Paul Rusesabagina, I believe is how you say his name, was this man, and he took care of these people. And unfortunately, it's just not quite enough. So I don't want you to get discouraged. I understand that you're upset, and I want you to know that I know you're trying. I know that there's no maliciousness here. It's not that everybody wants to do well. And one reason it's taking me a long time to post your grades is because I am giving you detailed feedback. So what I'm doing is I'm opening up your document, and as you answer the questions, underneath it I'll put in a bold and in a different color like purple or something like that, some notes that are very specific to you, and that will help you to improve. Couple other things that I want to share with you, just because it's like really my passion, is some of the key points to this movie that I think by and large might have gotten lost. Okay, remember that we're studying leadership. Okay, so as you look at Paul, the main character in this, you're looking at his growth as a leader. Now, some of you said when he starts out that Paul serves the hotel, or maybe that he serves his family, and these were good answers. I accepted, gave a lot of credit towards that. But what I want you to do is to dig deeper and to understand who he was really serving in the beginning. When you see somebody who sucks up to the guards, the police people, or he uh, let's see,